So students, we are in the ninth chapter in your textbooks. So 9.2, 9.1, 9.1, 9.2 exercises are there. So in 9.2 we have 10 problems. Yesterday we completed 9th and the last problem 10th one. All of you open the textbooks 230 page. 230 page number. 230 page number 10th question. Students, see the textbook and draw this diagram which is given in the textbook. Diagram is given. See the diagram, draw the diagram, given diagram. A, B, C, D, this is not given as D, this is given as P, O, P, Q. So this is the diagram and this is given as 70, this is given as 52. See that figure, this is given as 21, this is given as 21, same textbook diagram you draw. So this is the shaded area. See the shaded area. See the textbook, the 10th question, whatever the diagram is given, you draw the diagram neatly, a big diagram you draw. So using the diagram, let us solve the question. How? Okay. Now look at the problem. I am reading the question. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 centimeters, 70 by 50, 70 by 52, 70 meters by 52 meters. So this is a rectangular field. Where is the horse? Horse is placed at one point. This is the horse. This is the horse and to one corner. Horse is placed at one corner. See, and is tied to one corner by a rope. So the horse is here and rope length is 21 centimeters. So horse is tied here. This is the place. But length of the rope to which the horse is tied is 21 centimeters. So that means horse can go up to 21 centimeters. It can move. After that it cannot move because rope is 21 centimeters only. Rope is tied to the horse. So it is 21 centimeters. So from here to here horse can move. 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 It cannot move this side, because it is tied to one corner with rope 21 centimeters. So which area grass it can eat? It can eat the grass up to here. This area grass it can eat. It cannot eat the grass here. So how much area grass it can eat? That is the question. Simple question. So how much area it can graze? Graze means it can eat. It can eat the grass up to which point? It can eat the grass up to 21. Actually, in the figure itself it is shaded. So which area horse can move, horse can eat the grass, that shaded, already area is shaded. Just we have to find the area of the shaded region, that's all. Area of the shaded region, this area we have to find. What is this figure? What is the shape of this figure? This is a circle. This is a semicircle. This is a half semicircle, quadricircle. Quadricircle. This is pi r square. This is half pi r square. This is half of half pi r square, 1 by 4 pi r square. So this is a quadricircle because here angle is 90 degrees. Even if we can call it as a sector also. We can use quadricircle formula, sector formula also. So if the angle is not 90 degrees, definitely we have to use the sector formula only. In one problem it was 60 degrees, so we used sector formula. Except that we never used the sector formula because the angle is 90 degrees means we can use the quadricircle formula. If it is not 90 degrees, say 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees, then definitely we have to use the sector area formula. So this area we have to find. This is which figure? We can call it as a sector. We can also call it as a quadricircle, 1/4 of the circle. So this area we have to find. Simple formula and all the values are given. Nothing to think, just substituting the values in the formula. That's all. So first let us write the description. Whatever the question is given, same we are writing. Write down. Write down. OABC is a rectangular field. Question I am writing once again. OABC is a rectangular field. OABC is a rectangular field. A horse is tied at O. At O, the horse is tied with a rope. With a rope of length 21 centimeters. 21 meters. Length of the rope is 21 meters. A horse is tied at O with a rope of length 21 meters. That is given in the question. Same question I do. Now I am starting the solution. Then area of required region. Area of the required region, that is nothing but shaded area. Shaded region. Area of the required region or shaded region. This area we have to find. What is the shape of this? It is clearly a quadricircle, which is directly I will write because I wrote area, no? Directly I will write. Which formula I am writing? I am writing 1/4 of pi r square. Why this 1/4 of pi r square? Because the shape is a quadricircle, 1/4 circle. Circle area pi r square. Semicircle area half pi r square. Half semicircle area 1 by 4 pi r square. So sometimes we called it as a half semicircle. Half semicircle or quadricircle, both are same. So what is the formula for this figure? Half 1 by 4 pi r square. Why 1 by 4? Because it is a quadricircle, 1/4 of the circle. Circle divided into 4 parts. This is one part. This part. So total area pi r square means this part will be pi r square by 4. 4 parts. Say here, don't write 1 by 4. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 21. What is the radius? 21. That's all. 1 by 4. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 21. This is the answer. You can simplify and you know the simplification. Concept is over. This formula you have to apply. Substitute R is equal to 21. See, radius is 21. So there is no use of 70 and 52. We are not using here because we have to find this area. So if 70 and 52 just like that it is given. So no use of it. 1 by 4, 22 by 7, 21 square is 21 into 21. Do the simplification. 7 3s are, 2 2s are, like that you cancel. Write down. Seven threes are 21. 2 2s are 2 11s are 2 2s are 2 11. 11 into 3 33. 11 3 the 33. 11 3 is a 33 into 21. 11 3 the 33 into 21. 1 3 is a 3, 1 3 is a 3, 2 3 is a 6, 2 3 is a 6. Divide with 2. Divide with 2. 2 3 is a 6, 2 4 is a 8, 2 6 is a 12, 2 5 is a 10. That's all. Simple question. Simple problem. See, figure is given and which area we have to find, that also shaded. So our solution become very simple. So everything is given in the figure. This area we are asked to find. And that also known figure. It is a known figure. What is the shape of, what is the name of this shape? The name of this shape is quadracircle. 1/4 circle. 1/4 circle. So we have to find this area. The formula is 1/4 of circle area pi r square. Pi is what? 22 by 7. What is r? 21. 21. 21 square is 21 and 21. 7 3s are 2 2s are 2 11s are 11 into 3 33 into 21. 33 into 21 is 693 by 2. You can divide 693 by 2. 693 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1.025 are 10. Like this you can do. Students, over, and today I will solve some examples, and meanwhile yesterday I told you if you have any doubts you can mention the question number. I will explain the question once, problem once again. So I will check whether anybody is asking the doubts or not. Otherwise I will solve some important examples also. Explain the fourth question once again. Fourth question, which is the fourth question? So fourth question, somebody asked fourth question. So same exercise, 228, I will explain fourth question. Somebody asked a doubt about the fourth question. Let me explain once again. Dimensions 42 centimeters. The adjacent figure consists of 4 small semicircles of equal radii and 2 big semicircles of equal radii, each 42 centimeters. So radius is 42. Now, what is the area of the shaded region? See here. This is 1. This total, say, bigger semicircle, I am not naming. This is, say, 2. This is 1, this is 2. The bigger semicircle, I will call it as a bigger semicircle. Same diagram is repeated. Actually, I have drawn this as a small one because both are same. So only to explain, I drawn this bigger one, that is smaller one. So both are equal actually. So what is the area of the shaded region? See here. Area of shaded region from the adjacent figure. See here. First I will find a bigger semicircle. Total area I will find. Total. Bigger semicircle. Total bigger semicircle. Area of, already you wrote now, just look at this. Bigger semicircle plus area of this total bigger semicircle. Area of the bigger semicircle. But total we should not take. This we have to remove because only this part is asked, no? So bigger semicircle means we will get this here. See the boundary. This total area we will get. This here, 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 here. The total area we will get. But we don't want total area. We want only shaded area. This only we want. We don't want this. Because this is not shaded, no? We have to remove. Because first if we apply this formula, we will get total area. From this we have to remove this. Minus area of semicircle 2. This we have to subtract. Okay. So this area we got. But here also there is some area. This also we have to find, no? Because it is also shaded. Plus area of semicircle 1. Bigger semicircle minus smaller semicircle 2 plus this semicircle 1. So this shaded area we will get. But question is, both the shaded areas we have to find. So I explained only for this. If you double it, we will get that also. Suppose if this area is 10, this will be also 10. If you know this area 10, multiply with 2 to get the total area, double. So in previously after doing it, I multiplied with 2. Now also you can write total 2. Total we got. This area is the bigger semicircle minus smaller semicircle 2 plus this smaller semicircle 1. Multiply with 2 times to get the total both the figures area, both figures. Now What is the area of semicircle? Half pi r square. Half pi r square. This is also half pi r square. Minus, no? Okay, minus. Plus half pi r square. Radius is not same. So that's why I used one radius as r1, other radius r1, r2, r3, because all are different. So let us substitute here. See, don't write. Half pi is 22 by 7. R1, which bigger semicircle radius is 42. Bigger semicircle radius is given in the problem. This total is called diameter. Here to here, this is diameter. This is radius. This total is called diameter and half is called radius. So 42 whole square minus 1 by 4. Pi is 22 by 7. R is what? Semicircle 2. What is the radius of this semicircle? This semicircle, this is the diameter. Diameter is 21. Diameter is 42. Diameter is 42. Radius will be half. 21. Plus. Again for this third one. Half. 22 by 7. What is this third one? This semicircle. What is the diameter? Here to here how much? See, this is a bigger semicircle, radius is 42. If this is 42, this is also 42. Because it is the center. Radius means all the distance are equal. This is also 42. This total 42, what is the radius? Half of it. This is also 21. This radius is 21. This radius also 21. Because this is 42. This is also 42. Oh, complete step we got. This is minus. So semicircle radius area is half pi r square. 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 But what is half? Means half only. Pi means 22 by 7. But what is r? For the bigger semicircle, total semicircle radius is 42. For this one radius is 21. For this one also radius is 21. This is plus, this is minus, same get cancel. Minus plus get cancel. Why 2? Because two figures. Two figures. 2. But after doing this, getting the answer, we can multiply with 2. Like that also we can. So 2 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 42. 2 cancel. 7 6 are 42. Do the multiplication. 6 into 2 12. 6 4s are 24, 25. 42 into 6, you do 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 into 22 you have to do. 2 2s are 4, 252 into 22. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 504. Next. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5. 5 5 4 4. That's all. Square units are in centimeters, no? Centimeter square. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Okay, so meanwhile, if anybody not yet prepared these two exercises, they can ask the doubts tomorrow also. Anytime I may ask solve. So if you are not asking the doubts, I will solve some examples. Few examples. So students, open the textbook and let us go for the examples. Meanwhile, you just check which problem you have doubt. So somebody asked